Hey, thanks, Grab.
Hey.
Oh my god, hi. Abundance Taiwanese restaurant.
Sure.
Abundance? Yeah, okay. It's at Jalan Besar area.
Okay. 209.
209008.
Look at the sports vibe, man.
I love it.
Shit.
Cute. Oh man, today is such a long day. Whoa, wait, whoa.
Whoa.
So
Yeah. Yeah, whoa.
you morning,
Yeah.
fuck in the bush, then you come back.
What fuck in the bush? All nonsense like you.
Then you come back, sleep with your
I didn't
penis.
sleep.
Oh, you didn't sleep.
I slept like 10 minutes.
Oh, then you went out for paddle.
Yeah.
Jesus, are you not tired?
I'm tired. Exhausted as fuck.
You what? Sorry.
Exhausted. Onk.
Cycle. Well, we can like do like a vlog style.
Hey yo.
So, what's up? Whoa.
Whoa, what's up? What's up?
Too bright.
I mean, it's too bright.
I'm melting. So apparently Jay doesn't have he can't get enough of me. So it's like round 2 of expanding his energize. Tak kok ke? Come back already. Pongo nasi lemak ke? Someone's feeling fly. Whoa. Sorry.
Alright, we part. What we eating?
There is Pongo nasi lemak or abandons.
Craft your bra. Wow, this beef noodle looks good eh. Hey, I'm down bro, let's go. Then Pongo nasi lemak for supper.
Oh wait, sorry. Oh my god.
What was happening?
Oh my jizz.
You all got a private show?
Okay, let's go. Jesus Christ. I love the aircon. The aircon is just blasting. Ah.
Ken, can I pass to me first? Yeah, we bought food. Yeah, we forgot you guys were here. But stay tuned, we're gonna go home and then enjoy the food.
Mate in Australia, mate.
Australia?
So there's one fruit sour beer, and
Yeah.
the other one is chili chocolate egg stout.
I'm excited for the chocolate style. I love chocolate.
I love chocolate too. Oh yes, I love the song.
Ready? Oh whoa.
It's not so funny because on the stage it was 2 of my ex-boyfriends.
Always a good time. Eiffel Tower.
Nein! Ich möchte Wasser, bitte.
Danke. Ganz okay. Ja, danke. Ganz okay. Ja, danke.
Ganz okay, hier.
You finished already?
Yes, yes, yes.
No rush, you finished or not?
Yeah, I'm got it. Yeah, I'm
Okay,
got
okay.
it. I just have to off. Why are I look like I got no neck?
Hey, you got no that what? Didn't we establish you're the turtle?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that. Shall we?
Yeah, ikimasho. You were so near the barrier.
Hey, Stella, relax, eh?
My heart.
Hey, cyclist. Walao, eh.
Oh my god. His flooring. Sanyin is here. What? This guy is giving me anxiety. Wow, the smell of the food is fucking good. I think. I think.
Typhoon and crumble. Face it all together.
Oh, dude. Floor it! Floor it right now!
Put it in park then.
Go fast! And quiet.
Calm down. Okay, that's enough for this song.
Yeah.
I love a topsy. They could operate all day long and never figure out what went wrong.
Oh, yes, I have this thought that life is all about trust. You're trusting strangers to not ram the car towards you while you're crossing the road.
Every time you get into a car, especially motorcycles, I think it's a lot of trust.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's easier to trust strangers than to trust people you know. No?
Depends. I like it because it's like expanding my music library. Jesus, Jesus, please don't. They're moving. My butt is so clenched right now. My anus, my pang sai.
I'm sorry. I'm all about precision driving, you know. It's just
I know, precision driving, I know. It's quite a bit purple.
if the world was
Papa
ending,
clutch!
you come over, right? You come over and you stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky'd be falling and I'd hold you tight.
This song sounds familiar.
And there wouldn't be a reason why you would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Right? If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? Right? We would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You come over, right? You come over, you come over, you come over, right? I know, you know, we know you went down forever and it's fine. I know, you know, we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine.
Cute car.
But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? We would even have to say goodbye. If the world was ending, you come over, right?